Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Walmart account. For that, first of all, open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now, I'm going to use Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search walmart.com on your search bar. You will now directly land on Walmart's website. Be sure that you're logged into your account. Then scroll all the way down and there you'll see the option of customer service. Tap on it. Under help topics, there you'll see the option of other. Tap on it. Again, scroll all the way down and there you'll see contact us. Tap on it. Now send a message saying that you want to delete your account. After you are done, tap on the send button. After some time, Walmart will send you an email saying that they will respond to you shortly. Again, after some time, you'll receive another email saying that as per your request, your Walmart account has been deleted. This way you can delete your Walmart account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.